What's up guys, this is Hussein from Android iOS Tutorials.com. Today I will show you how to add the Tumblr login in your Android application. So as you can see here, we have the Tumblr login library, which is the library I developed myself for Tumblr login. And here is the Tumblr login simple. It is our simple project here. So the first thing to do is to add or to import this library into our simple project. To do it, hit right click on the project folder, go to properties, and then in the left side select Android, and then scroll to the bottom, and here you should add the Tumblr login library. I've already added here, so I will remove it and add it again to show you how to do it. Hit on the add button, a new window will appear, and then select the Tumblr login library and hit OK, and then hit OK for the second time. And this is it, we're done with the first step. The second step is, or first of all, let's take a quick look on our library here. Open the project, go to Tumblr login activity here. As you can see on the outline, a lot of methods like is connected, which will check if the user is already logged in Tumblr or not. We have here logout from Tumblr, which will disconnect the user from Tumblr, get token secret, get profile picture, get username, and so on. So let's go back to the simple application here, and let us see the layout file here. Go under res folder, and then on the layout folder you will find activity main XML. Double click on it, and here it is. Our layout looks like this. We have a small title here, login Tumblr using signpost library, and we have a button here, login using Tumblr. When the user clicks on this button, a new activity will appear, which will contain the login and the password form for Tumblr login. When the user logged in and the operation is OK, the result will return back to the calling activity here to show a toast or the username in the text view or the image of the user in image view. The next step is going to our activity here. As you can see, we have two variables here, the customer key and the customer secret. These two variables are so important. Those are the identifiers of your application. So all you need to do is to go to the Tumblr API website here. I will give the link of this website on the description of this video, and then under the what you need section, as you can see here, we have a small link here, register an application. Click on this link, and then you have a list of applications. If you don't have any application created yet, you will just have the register application. Click on this button and new form will appear. You can enter here your application name. Here you can enter the application website, and then these three fields are not important. You can leave them empty. And here is the contact email and the default callback URL. You can add or input whatever you want. When you're finished with this form, hit the register button here. And when you created your application will appear here. So you have the OAuth customer key here, and you have a small link here, show secret key. Click on this link and you will have the secret key here. So what you need to do is to copy these two variables here and pass them into your project here in the main activity, because we will use them in the login operation of Tumblr. The next thing is, when the user hit on the login button, as you can see here, I will call the Tumblr login function here, or method here. The Tumblr login method here will launch the Tumblr login activity, which is in our library here, and will start activity for result. So this activity will start the login activity of Tumblr and waiting for a result from this one. When the operation is OK, the onActivity result will called, and here if the request code is Tumblr login, we will check the result code. The result code, if the result code equals the Tumblr login result code success, so the login is successfully done. And else, if the result code equals the Tumblr login result code failure, so the operation is not done. So let's hit to run on our application and test it. Go to the Android project simple here, right click and go to run as Android application, or directly select the main activity and hit on this button here. I will run it on my HTC One smartphone here. Okay, so the simple application is here. The first launch, the user is not logged in, so the login button will look like this: login using Tumblr. So I will hit on the login using Tumblr. Now the website or the web view of a Tumblr login will appear, as you can see here, and I will enter my email to log in Tumblr. And I will enter my password and hit the login button here. I will not save the history or the password. Waiting for the operation here. As you can see, it is alright for this application to access some of your data and make posts to your account. You should accept this permission to enter to the application here to accept the login operation. So hit the allow button here, the green button, and then the result will go back to our activity, calling activity, and here the title of our button will be updated to logout, and here the user logged in here is my name. So when I hit the logout here, I will disconnect from the login library, from the login Tumblr, and will I go and return back to our simple application. Here you can see I'm not logged in. When the user click on the login, I've already logged in. I will accept the permissions here by hitting the green button. The internet connection is so slow. Here we are. Hit the allow green button and it is done. I'm logged in successfully. So when I kill my application and enter second time, as you can see here, the application will detect that I'm already logged in Tumblr. So this is it. If you have any questions or any issues about using this library, you can add it on a comment on this video. You can subscribe on our YouTube channel or join us on Facebook. All links are provided in the description of this video. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.